One of my strategy. GBP AUD M30 time frame CSEC sell. M5 time frame it's CSM sell. Result continues its downtrend. Another example, M30 CSEC. M5 CSN. Result continues its downtrend. Euro USD M30 CSEC. M5 CSN. Continue its downtrend. USD CAD M30 CSEC. M5 CSN. Continue its downtrend. Euro Canada M30 CSEC. M5 CSN will continue its downtrend. You can't be a millionaire with a strategy today. Practice this strategy and apply it to your main strategies.
It's over 75% of my total audience has not subscribed my channel yet. So firstly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to join my Telegram channel as well as follow me on Facebook.